Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. This guy where you see for here so. Now last year, he cry come out. Say a life no dey safe for Olugbo because of one man wey name na Johnson Ashelege. The man na Ishekiri man. And this Sonny Eche na Ishekiri. Now Olugbo, na both of them dey. The guy cry come out say Johnson dey threaten him life. He won't kill him. He never tell. This guy come miss. They look for him, they no see him. Now later, now they come find out say the guy don't die. And this other man wey you see for here so, Kaka, he don't confess to the killing of Sonny Eche. Make I leave you, make you hear from Sonny wey they kill before Kaka confession.
I'm an indigenous of Kolokolo community. I'm here in respect of this Olugbo issue, just to let the government, the governors, the Oba know that what is happening in the Olugbo Dukedom is just only one person. And I'm here as a native of Shekiri. Shekiri and Bini doesn't have problem. The only problem we have is Johnson fighting Shekiri, same time fighting Benis, killing people here and there, using his woodlums. And immediately they committed this crime, they will be walking on the street. I mean, as I'm talking to you now, Johnson and the woodlums destroyed my property worth about 60 million. Destroyed my house, destroyed my company, burned houses in Kolokolo, and so many things they destroyed. Until today, the woodlums are on the street moving about.
Have you reported this matter to the police?
We reported the matter is under the CPA. For the past 2 months now, we are waiting whether they will do justice of the matter. We are still waiting up till now.
So,
thing is happening for the past 8 months now. If you report the matter, you petition up to the essay, nothing will be happen. They will say come for peace accord, and before the same peace accord, the Johnson and the Woodlums will be terrorizing everybody. You cannot go to your place of work, you cannot go to your office, you cannot go anywhere. You just be running as I'm talking to you now. I'm not safe because of he and his Woodlums. And I so much thank God that the Shekiri they are going into the matter, because Shekiri and Benin does not have fights, and Benin does not have fight with Shekiri. The problem is between the Johnson and the Woodlums in Olugbo, claiming as a traditional ruler in Olugbo and the Everall.
okay. Now, how will you describe the situation in Olugbo right now?
The situation in Olugbo is so bad, because everybody is afraid, because everybody is waiting for the police and for the government, the relevant authority, to take this matter, to do justice in this matter.
So, in terms of what you call justice, how will you describe the kind of justice you want?
Justice is them to be arrested and prosecute them to court.
Okay.
That is how justice is supposed to be.
All right. Thank you.
Excuse. Hold up on my side. Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Origomi Santaka.
Where are you from?
I'm from Olugbo community.
Olugbo. Did you hear of how Sonny Eche was killed?
Yes, I heard.
And how they adopted him?
I heard about it.
Okay. Do you got to know Oluwa?
Yes, I know Oluwa.
Are you aware that he called your name as one of those involved in the whole thing?
I heard it.
What role did you play?
I used to walk at that pipeline close to the Sheki point. So when I'm coming out from the where I used to walk, I saw them gather in the Sheki point there.
Along the road?
Along the road, yes.
That's where they heard him. That's where they heard Sonny Eche.
Yes. So and I asked Oluwa particular, what is going on? He said they have issue in Kolokolo community. That Sonny Eche is his uncle, cousin. They have issue in Kolokolo community. So they want to go and settle the matter. I said with this crowd. So the mopo there, they're like, want to settle around, easy. So they now put him inside my motor. When I got there, I met 2 vehicles there. And I put him inside my motor. So, and I asked them, where are we going? They said, okay, they will direct me. So we now move. when we get to one bush along that NNPC road, they said I should branch there. When I branch there, then I bring him out.
Who were the day? Name them.
Oluwa inside the car, Benji inside the car, me I'm inside the car, the Soneshi inside the car, then Shemaye, one Shemaye from Warri inside the car. So when they now brought him out, they started beating him.
Who were the people beating him?
The Benji, the Oluwa, they started beating him.
Yeah.
So I'm inside my car. So there I'm
Which car were you driving?
I'm
Or did you drive?
Lexus.
Eh?
Lexus.
Lexus, okay.
So by the time I come out, Oluwa now shoot him.
Oluwa shot him.
Yes, Oluwa
Which gun?
The gun, I don't know the name of the gun. I don't know the name of the gun, but I just hear the boom. So I said, but not waiting. Una tell me, who come here and I say, now he fuck up, say they won't call beat him. So I'm not going to carry enough again. Now take drive come out. So later in the evening, now call answer Oluwa say, this one I wanna kill her now. Where the body, Oluwa say they don't go throw am for river. Say Benji, that Shemaye with one other person will come greet them from Warri. Now he tell me say the tear in belly. Say they tie stone put throw am for side river. I say, so I'm not gonna talk anything. So now when they call Oluwa called they mention my name, now continue wrong.
Now you can't tell wrong.
Yeah,
But you already knew that they killed him
yes.
for your presence.
Yes.
Later, he can't tell you say the tear belly
They
put stone. Did you now report to the police?
No, I didn't report to the police.
What did you not do as at that time?
I don't call the comment. I always dey inside my house. So now when Chief call, they call say they invite Chief Johnson. They invite Chief Johnson come stay side here. How I call say he not come back? The Oluwa did that say he not come back. I call the hear my name. Now I tell you.
Where did you now run to?
I run to Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt. So where were you arrested now?
At Ologbo.
Ologbo. That means you returned back from Port
I
Harcourt.
returned back from Port Harcourt.
Did something not tell you that they were looking for you? Since September you have been in Ologbo?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Until they arrested you now?
Yes, sir.
Well, how can you imagine somebody you know, Soneche, they killed him, tied his leg and hand with blood and put in the river. When you heard and you saw that he was killed,
Yeah, I hear the gunshot. I see them.
so what did you not do? What has been in your mind since then?
I feel bad for him. But the mistake I do, I didn't go to station.
Did you not hear the matter everywhere?
I heard them. I watched it in phone.
Eh?
I watched it in phone.
In the phone. Okay. So how do you feel now?
I feel bad.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.